Hello everyone, my name's Martin, and as part of this video I'd like to show you all what a 7,000 Hong Kong dollar apartment looks like in Hong Kong. With that being said, let's quickly skip on to the walkthrough. Yeah, so the minute you come in you see the kitchen area straight away on the left hand side, so it's just got a very basic sink. Also came with the hot plate as well as the kettle here, as well as a bit of an extraction fan at the top. Obviously some nice bits of storage units that I get around this area too. And finally it just comes with the standard fridge freezer. So just going a bit forward, on the right hand side you'll see some buttons first actually. This comes for the hot water as well as the lights and fan for the bathroom / toilet. So if I go in here, you see we've got the standard toilets. We've also got the shower up here with just an area to put the body wash. Coming back out, we then see here on the right we've got a sink just to brush the teeth in the morning and evening. Bit funny with the mirror here, way too low for me. All it seems to show is my belly. So each morning I'm staring at this point here. Better than nothing though. Just a bit to the left of that is a bit of an extension to my kitchen. So we've got the microwave that came with the room. Also got a mini oven that I went out and purchased myself. To the left of that we get the TV that again came with the room. And then we've got some accessories that I brought with myself. Apologies, a bit messy because I brought my I put the recycling down here, and I'll take that out soon. But to the left of that we've got the Xbox and we've got the TV box there, my Android TV box. We also get some wardrobe space here, not much, hence why I went out and just bought a clothes rail from IKEA. So that allows me just to easily access my clothes instead of having to mess about opening this up and struggling to get in. So just to switch around here, we had a small table that came with the room, nothing fancy, but it's enough for my day-to-day activities to do work on. The IKEA lounge chair, which I'd recommend going out and buying here, really good chair. I actually got that to replace this chair that came with the room, that's really uncomfy. Obviously a lot of storage areas on the right, and because of the room being quite small they get very cluttered, but workable, so not so much of a problem. Comes with a double bed, which is a good size. Some more storage area behind that, which is useful. And obviously the critical piece of equipment in Hong Kong being the air conditioning unit gets really hot and really humid during the summer months, so that's pretty much on all day. The view outside, nothing spectacular. I mean, I've only seen these really in Hong Kong. Looks a bit like a jail unit in a way, but not paying for the views as part of this room. Hopefully you guys found the walkthrough informative. Just to call out a few of the high level facts around this room. So it's located between Prince Edward and Mong Kok MTR stations in the Kowloon area. So door to door takes around 40 minutes for me to get to work on mainland Hong Kong. The rent, as already been called out, is 7,000 Hong Kong dollars. The utilities come to 500 Hong Kong dollars, so that covers the electric and the water. Also per month I pay 150 Hong Kong dollars for a cleaner to come for 1 hour on a bi-weekly basis. So overall I pay 7,650 Hong Kong dollars per month, but out of that 7,000 covers the rent. Yeah, I'd just say thank you for watching. If you found this informative, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be really appreciated, as I've just started out on here, and over the coming weeks I plan to add regular videos of travel activities in Hong Kong. See you soon.